Our youth and children's programs are growing by leaps and bounds in number and in strength through programs like Youth Group, Youth Summer Trips, our elementary milestones, Vacation Bible School, and so much more. Right now, I'm standing in Memorial 300, which is technically our youth room, but we don't use this space a lot because it's a little bit like rolling dice. You just don't know what you're gonna get. Sometimes it's too hot, sometimes it's too cold, a lot of the windows don't open, the carpet's kind of dirty, and it's just not a very inviting space. With your support of the Capital Campaign, we'll be able to address many of those issues, including updating the HVAC and remediating the asbestos. This will let our youth, our children, and their families know how much we love them, how much we value them, and how much we want them to continue coming here to be rooted and reaching in Christ's love. Please support our Capital Campaign.